festival should be. And I believe that for all these 5 years, they always try to innovate as to what could be a part of the art and literature festival. As I got to know about various programs that are going to be held today, I got to know that there will be many programs wherein there will be podcasts, there will be cooking classes and bakery classes also which are happening, and how journalism topics are also being included. So that's a great combination of what is the present requirement and accordingly, success is not about what I have achieved. Success is all about what I am ready to give to the world. And that's how we started with Paid Lagao Video. I just happened to interact with him and I asked him as to how many years do you recollect, sir? How many years? So I do not know he said how many years, but I suppose the movement, it came to my conscious thought that I should be a part of this. Maybe on the papers as Paid Lagao Video movement, they have come later. But to my conscious, it must have come years back. So it has now become a national movement. And the kind of a craze that we see among the students, you are the real hero, you are the real inspiration. Who's going to convince our little youngsters, whom we call now not Gen Zs, now we're Gen Alphas.
मेरा लाइफ मैं बिंदास जिंदा रहा। अभी बच्चे लोग का जिंदगी ये मेरा लाइफ हो गया, थोड़ा बचे है, अभी बचेगा आप लोगों का लाइफ बड़ा, समझा? तो सब बड़े लोग को, माँ बाप को घर में सोचने का, मेरे को अकेले को नहीं सोचने का कि अपना बच्चे के लिए क्या छोड़ के जाता है। हवा में जहर, पानी में जहर, खाने में जहर, सोने का वादा सोएंगे। We gotta be conscious. Not just me, I'm not the brand ambassador. Everybody is a brand ambassador who's a father and mother. So you're now being labeled the big talks of being, oh, I'm supremo. No one is. Earth is supreme. I realized this because I saw this is what we will become, soil. And things will grow on us. So let's be friendly to soil because that's our destination. Let's be real guys, I'm telling you. Enjoy yourself. Focus on health. Take care of mama and daddy. But, Baba, that's the only option. No oxygen, we all 31.
पैसा कमाने के लिए डेवलपमेंट ग्रो करते हैं और बाद में क्या होता है, यू टर्न, प्लास्टिक आया और अभी सब प्लास्टिक को भगाना चाह रहे हैं। सेम थिंग है, डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है, रोड बन रही हैं, बिल्डिंग्स बन रही हैं, लेकिन पेड़ कट रहे हैं। अब हम पेड़ लगाना चाहते हैं। मालूम है आगे जाके जो टेक्नोलॉजी है या एआई है, मैं आपको आज लिख के दे रहा हूँ, कुछ नहीं, ज़्यादा नहीं, 5-10 साल में उसके आप यू टर्न लेंगे। तो मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ कि हम उस रास्ते पे क्यों जाएं, डेवलपमेंट के रास्ते पे। जो हमारी हेरिटेज थी बहुत ही स्ट्रांग थी, बहुत ही पावरफुल थी हेरिटेज। क्यों ना हम अपने विलेजेस में रहें, मट्टी के घरों में रहें और सिंपल लिविंग रहें, और सबको अच्छा लगेगा उसमें। ये नहीं कि रिच हो गया और पुअर बेचारा पुअर रह गया, लेकिन सबको मज़ा आएगा और अच्छी हवा मिलेगी, अच्छा पानी मिलेगा, अच्छा खाना मिलेगा। नहीं तो बाद में हम टैबलेट्स में जीने वाले हैं। तो आप क्या चाहते हैं? हम तो जैसे जगीदा ने बोला, हम तो आपके कब्र में हैं कि हम चाहते हैं कि हमारे बच्चे ना पानी मिले उनको, ना हवा मिले। आई वुड से सिंपल लिविंग एंड डेवलपमेंट शुड बी फ्रॉम विद इन। जॉइंट फैमिली में रहिए, एक दूसरे को प्यार करिए, एक दूसरे को समझिए। हम आज अपने नेबर को नहीं जानते हैं, वो डेवलपमेंट है क्या? न्यूक्लियर फैमिलीज हो गई हैं, सिंगल फैमिलीज हो गई हैं। मैंने बहुत सारे बच्चे हमारे स्कूल में जिनका सिंगल पेरेंट है, बेचारे बच्चे कितने परेशान होते हैं आपको मालूम है? कभी ऑटिज्म हो जाता है, कभी कोई तकलीफ हो जाती है, कभी ADHD हो जाता है, और हम कहते हैं क्यों है ये? बच्चे घर में लड़ाई देखते हैं। इसलिए हम रैट रेस में भाग रहे हैं, और आपको मालूम है रेस के बाद में कौन क्या रहेगा? हम रैट ही रहेंगे, हम एक चूहा ही रहेंगे। चूहा दौड़ बिल्ली, हम उसमें भाग रहे हैं, लेकिन हम बाद में चूहा ही रहने वाले हैं। तो मैं कह रहा हूँ उसको रोको, पीछे देखो, सस्टेनेबल लिविंग तो है ही है, कॉन्शियस लिविंग माने सिंपल लिविंग, वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है।
So, Salf has a beautiful story behind it. One of our directors, Mr. Kush Khaitan, was in Jaipur and he saw the Jaipur Lit Fest and thought to himself, you know what, something like this requires to be done for the students. That is mainly the 7th to 12th grade students. And he came back and he kind of proposed his idea to us. I was fortunate enough to be given the opportunity to lead this initiative. It's been 5 editions. This is Salf 5.0. And Sunshine has trusted me for 5 long years with this initiative, and I'm grateful for that. At its core, Salf is all about giving exposure to students across Goa. This year, we were granted by the Art and Culture Goa, and we can proudly now say that we are in association of Goa Art and Culture. We also had Jackie Shroffji here this year. Last year was Rajat Kapoor. So the whole idea is, to give students exposure into different career scopes, explore their talents and finally reach their full potential. We hope that parents across Goa come witness the magic of Salf.
So Salf is a great event that has been made, and actually it's an initiative by kids who are the students who actually make this event come to life. And it has been 5 years of Salf that has been, and every year we have been striving to improve and perform better, and everyone is working really hard for Salf. And this also comes back to our school's philosophy, which is unconditional happiness. And there are many philosophies which correlate with Salf, which make Salf come up to another level.
Actually, this initiative or this fest is led by students. सब कुछ बच्चे करते हैं. जो भी decoration आप देख रहे हैं around, everything is done by students. This year's theme is conscious living, and because we follow or we want our children to follow it, consciously we had taken a decision of collecting some waste material and create the artifacts which are displayed all over around this place and totally made by our learners. And that's why this fest gives a beautiful opportunity to our learners, to children all across Goa, to come, share ideas, learn from experts, and also give a huge exposure for whatever field they like. So a humble request to all Goans that please come here and experience the magic of Salf, led by our students, created by our students.
तो हम ये जानते हैं कि जो किताबी पढ़ाई है वो ब्रिटिशर्स ने छोड़ दी हमारे लिए। उन्होंने हमारा सिस्टम एजुकेशन सिस्टम बिगाड़ दिया था। उन्होंने चाहा हम क्लर्क बने, तो वो पढ़ाई नहीं है, वो सिर्फ एक लिटरेसी के लिए है। एजुकेशन क्या है, ये जो हम कर रहे हैं। तो इसलिए हम सबको बुलाते हैं कि सिर्फ किताब पढ़ के एग्जाम देना आपके लिए एजुकेशन नहीं है, वो सिर्फ लिटरेसी है। आप सिर्फ क्लर्क बनोगे जो ब्रिटिशर्स ने हमें बनाना चाहा था। सोचो और चीजें करो, आज स्ट्रीट स्मार्ट बनो, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स बढ़ाओ, जो नई टेक्नोलॉजी है उसको समझो, नई बातें करो। सिर्फ किताब पढ़ के कुछ नहीं होने वाला है। इसलिए हमने ये सोचा कि हम ऐसे फेस्टिवल्स करेंगे जहां हम और स्कूल्स को बुलाएंगे, अपने बच्चों को जागरूक करेंगे, अपने पेरेंट्स को जागरूक करेंगे कि पढ़ाई सिर्फ मार्क्स नहीं है, ओवरऑल पढ़ाई होलिस्टिक पढ़ाई है। जब हम हर चीज के बारे में समझें, उसको अप्लाई करें और अपनी जिंदगी में उसको अपनाएं।
Hello, I'm from Blooms International School, and at this festival it was really fun. I got to meet a lot of new people and experience a lot of new things, and there were many workshops, and I myself, coming from an art and music background, it was a really fun experience. And like from these workshops I'm going to get to meet various experts, and I'm looking forward to that.
So I am a Sunshine parent for last four years, I think, and I have 2 daughters here. I've been attending this event for last 4 years, and every year it is getting better to another level. This is something so unique that we have come across here, because it is giving exposure to kids at a very different level. where their lot of their personality, their traits, they are coming out. They are learning things which they do not in a regular school environment. Yeah, so I mean, this is something fabulous that I see here, and that's the whole reason that we are sticking to the school and very happy with the school.
Namaste. So my name is Sara and I'm 15 years old. I study in grade 10. And recently, just today, I got my book published from our in-house publications, Sunshine Publications. And I just want to say that this has been such a wonderful journey. Being able to express myself and my thoughts in a book that is especially meant for teenagers and people my age. And I really want to get a message across that you should always be yourself and never try to fit in, because ultimately you will find people who accept you for who you are, and that will be amazing.
So my elder daughter, who's in grade 10 now, she just, because she was interested, she started writing a book 2 years back. I think around 2.5 years back. And gradually she built on the book. The idea was never, I mean, she never thought that she wants to publish it, and we never thought that she's taking it that seriously. But then this year, when finally we read the first version of the book, we thought that this is like to some level. And then we got to know that there is an opportunity that the school is giving, that she can publish the book. I mean, at this age, who gets that opportunity?
Just about the initiative, sir.
Baba, it's a great initiative, and I hope everybody understands what I say.
Yes, sir.
Because you know how it is, man. What have we left behind for children?
Sir, likewise, like, what do you think about Goan ecology now?
It's beautiful. So far, it's beautiful. 150 AQI is not bad. We are 240. Delhi is 380. Delhi is 380.
Okay.
Goa is still 150, which is beautiful. You got to take care of it, man.
हाँ सर, ये इनिशिएटिव जो स्कूल ने लिया है
बहुत अच्छा. इन लोगों की तो फ्यूचर है रे. तू और मैं बिगाड़ा, वो सुधारेगा. तेरे को समझाना पड़ेगा उसको. हाँ, तेरा प्रेस के थ्रू बच्चे लोग को समझा. And all the kids who have collaborated, ना, जितना भी collaboration है, सबको thank you. All my love to your family.
सर, बच्चे करते हैं ठीक है सर, सेलिब्रिटी जब करते हैं ना, उसका इम्पैक्ट ज्यादा होता है. तो what do you say about it?
See, I think everybody should do it. खाली mother और father अगर घर में education, they are the heroes of the children. I'm the hero of my children, and maybe some people who watch my film. But you are the hero of your own children. They look what father is doing, I'll do it.
Yes, sir.
Samaj,
Thank you so much.
everyone is a hero in the house. Mother and father is a real hero. They should be teaching their children about environment and cleanliness. Patrao, enjoy.
Thank you, sir.
Namaste.
जिंदगी ये सफर है सुहाना, इसको खामखा रैट रेस ना बनाना.